So again, this is just temporary lighting that I'm doing. Um, Nothing too crazy. Uh, yes, 100% a week. Is trying to pronounce Isria Scott. Hope I got that name right. Yes, it's nothing too crazy. I'm doing today. Isria. Okay. Yeah, so it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Like I said, I'm just doing the lighting. Um, so um, that there is my smoke detector. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using that circuit to power up the lighting. It's fast, quick, and efficient, and there's no need for me to run around and try to install other lighting. And I can basically use the smoke detector circuit. Basically, what the smoke detector circuit is it's normally a circuit that is combined with the lighting, and the reason why we combine it with the lighting is once the power goes down, um, once the power goes down with the lighting circuit, the smoke detector will not be working, and it's going to it's going to let you know. So most of the time, you know, when a lighting circuit is down, you know there's an issue. You obviously know that there's an issue with your smoke. Your smoke detector is off also. So for that reason, we only hook up the smoke detectors on the lighting circuit. Um, it is a rule that it is in the code book. So for that reason, um, all smoke detectors are connected to the lighting circuit. Also, a lot of times when I do go live, um, a lot of times I don't plan my lives. So for all those who are subscribed to the channel, just make sure the notification is turned to all. Reason being is there are other workers inside of here that are working, and a lot of times they have the music on, and I don't want to get the copyright, so I kind of stay away uh, from them. So I kind of stay from them they are going when they are going to be working downstairs.